Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the GW55 Smartwatch. We are done on checking with the push notifications as well as the Bluetooth phone call. This time we are going to check one of its smart features, that is the music control function. So we are going to check on this. Okay, we will check it if it works with other popular music or entertainment applications. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo for the music control function, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, let's start. So this smartwatch is already paired with a support app. So it is using the Live Fit support app. As you can see here, we are connected and we have 60% power. So let's check. Let's see if we have a settings here for the music control function. If not, we'll go directly with the smartwatch. Okay, seems like we don't have any settings to set for the music control function. Okay, so let's go directly here on our smartwatch. Here we have, let's see, I think we have an icon here, okay, for the music control. Okay, so just a Bluetooth here. So we'll go directly with the music control function. So where's our music control function? See, as you can see here, we have a music adjustment for the volume, going backward, forward, play, and stop. This one we have a menu here. Let's see. Okay, does it work? No. Yeah, I think it's just a design. Okay. So in our smartphone, we have some applications here. Okay, so we have the Samsung Music, Spotify, we have YouTube, YouTube Music, TikTok, and Pocket FM. Okay, so let's try this one. So this is a built-in music player on our smartphone. So let's try and play music here. Can we control it with our smartwatch here? Let's see. Stop. Okay. Next. Does it work? Next. Okay, so it works. Then just relax. Okay. Stop. Play. Adjust the volume. Lower the volume. Go back. Okay, into the night. Forest lullaby. Increase the volume. Stop. Okay, so far the music control function for the music player works with our smartwatch. Nice. The next, Spotify, a popular music app. Let's see. Okay, allow access. Then let's see. We have here some Bruno Mars mix. Dismiss. So let's see, can we play? As you can see, we have the GW55. Let's play. Does it work? Yes. Next. I think it's still controlling the music player. I think we really have to select a music here. Okay, just an ad. Next. Yes, it works. Next. Next. I think it is using the speaker of our smartphone. Next. Stop. Yes, it works with the Spotify. I think it works smoothly compared to other smartwatches, but you really have to uh, select the music first before using this one. Okay, but anyway, it works. Then next, YouTube. Let's see, so we have here, okay, our smartwatch review. So we have an ad. Let's wait. Skip. Next. Stop. Next. Next. Stop. Yes. I think the feature works. Okay. Stop. Play. Play. Go back. Go back. And stop. Yes, it works. Okay, very good. It works smoothly as you can see here. Okay. And YouTube Music. Okay, let's select this one. Play, then next. Okay, play. Next. Next. So far, the music control function is really good. Okay, much better than the notification function that we have yesterday with the other video for the GW55. Go back. Its connectivity is very smooth, as you can see here. Very fast. Okay. Then let's have a TikTok. I'm pretty sure you have this. Stop. Next. Wait. Let's see. Okay. Go forward. Does it work? I don't think that it works with a TikTok. Go. No. Okay, there's no support for TikTok, I think. As you can see, it's not working. Okay. How about Pocket FM here? Let's see if we can use this thing. Okay. Does it work? Stop. Next.
Yes, of course I'm here. Where are you? Hey,
No. It's not working with Pocket FM.
Before I go, I want you to remember.
Okay.
This is the end of our story. Taking one last breath.
Wait. Seems like it's working. The forward is not working, but the play and pause works. As you can see.
Closed his eyes and vowed his final words.
Yes, it works. Okay, that's the only issue. You cannot go forward or backward with other videos here. For example, this one, let's see. Does it work? No. Play? Yes. You can play and pause, but you cannot go to the next video.
Kevin felt a little
excited at the end. So that's it for the music control function of our GW55. So it works with Samsung Music, it works with Spotify, it works with YouTube and YouTube Music, as well as Pocket FM. Only play and pause. But with TikTok, let's see, let's have another one. Let's pause it for a moment. Does it work? Next. No. It's not working with the TikTok application. Okay, so that's it for our music control function with our GW55 smartwatch. So far, positive review for some of the applications for the GW55 music control function. If you have any questions regarding this video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.